Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to do simple factorization and expansion. Starting off with expansion, when you have a term, say A, and it's multiplying through a bracket, so A and then this B plus C, have something in brackets added together with another term. You can apply what's called this distributive law. So what we do is we multiply through each of the terms, then add them together. So we have A, B, and then we multiply with A, C. This simply becomes A times B plus A times C. So now, what is factorization? This is essentially going the other way. So you have, let's just use this one here, A, B plus A, C. And for factorization, it can be a bit more tricky because you have to find the highest common factor of the expression. In this case, we have A's here, and so this A is simply multiplied through, so we have one A here, because this one goes here, this one from this side, and then we create the bracket, which is just B plus C. I hope that makes sense, and we can go through some examples in the next video. Cheers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.